Okay students, good morning. Ready for our next class? Yes. In the last period, what did we do? Let's revise. Yes, we did the word meanings. Okay. Did you learn it? No. Let's revise it. Okay, no problem. You will learn it very soon. Okay. So, the first word was outskirts. What do you mean by outskirts? Outer part of a town or a city, right? Outskirts. Outskirts means outer part of a town or a city, right? The next word was chemicals. What do you mean by chemicals? Yes, I'm getting someone. All are putting up their hands. Some are putting up their hands. Yes. So the answer is medicines used to protect plants. Okay. The third word, root vegetables. What do you mean by root vegetables? Root vegetables grow under the ground and the vegetables, whose roots can be eaten. Can you give me some examples? Yes. Okay. Carrot, radish. Yes. These are some roots which can be eaten. The next part is traditional. What do you mean by traditional? Been in use for a long time. लंबे समय से जो यूज में था उसे हम बोलते हैं ट्रेडिशनल, राइट? एंड यू वेयर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस ऑन फंक्शंस, दिवाली, फेस्टिवल, मैरिज, पार्टीज, राइट? Immunity, the power to fight against the diseases. Okay? Intently, with close and sincere attention. A compost pit. What is a compost pit? Now repeat after me. Little big but not hard enough that you cannot learn. Yes, you can learn it. Just repeat after me. An area in the ground. An area in the ground where, जहाँ पर, where we put, yes, rotten leaves, टूटी हुई पत्तियाँ, सड़ी हुई पत्तियाँ, rotten leaves, peels of vegetables and food waste, right, to improve its quality. उसकी क्वालिटी बढ़ाने के लिए और खाद बनाने के लिए हम वो चीज़ें डालते हैं, right? Okay, the next word is composted. Composted. What do you mean by composted? Yes, turned into compost, right? Now we had done true and false also. Let's revise it. Grandma's house is in the outskirts. Yes, right. So my sentence is true. Pari's grandma likes to buy vegetables from the market. Does she like to buy vegetables from the market? No. False. Bitter gourd is sweet to taste. Is the taste of bitter gourd sweet? No. Pari likes good food because it is tasty. Pari likes good food because it is tasty? No. Yes, she likes good food. Grandma cooks delicious food and she loves it. So my answer is true. Pari too wants to grow a vegetable garden at home. Yes. When grandma explains her the nutritious value of the vegetables, she understands it and yes, she wants to grow a vegetable garden at her house and hopes you also have learned that yes, it gives us very good and fresh food, fresh vegetables to eat, and even you may try at home to make your own vegetable garden, right? And today we are going to move up with question and answers, okay? So our next heading is question answers, and be ready with your classwork copy and let's write down the question and answers. Now where is Pari? The first question is question and answer. Question 1. Okay, so Where is Pari? W-H-E-R-E. Where is Pari? Now can you tell me where is Pari? Pari कहाँ पर आई है? Where is Pari? Yes, my answer is Pari is at her grandma's. See, grandma is a common noun, so my G will not be capital, my G will be small. Yes, but here नानी का नाम नहीं बताया है, नानी को हम एड्रेस कर रहे हैं एज अ स्पेशल पर्सन. That is why we are going to write down the G as capital. Okay. Grandma's home. House. Right? So, what is my first question? My first question is, where is Pari? And Pari is at her grandma's house. Okay. Moving on to the next question. What woke up Pari at, yes, at 8 a.m. What woke up Pari at 8 a.m.? Yes, the delicious smell from the kitchen. The delicious smell from the kitchen woke up Pari at 8 a.m. Right? So, what is my first question? Where is Pari? Pari कहाँ पर है? Pari is at her grandma's house. Pari अपनी grandma के घर पर आई है. What woke up Pari at 8 a.m.? Pari कैसे उठी? अचानक उसकी नींद कैसे खुली? So, the delicious smell from the kitchen woke up Pari at 8 a.m. You can complete your work. I am waiting for you. Yes, hope the answer is very clear to you. It is very simple. परी को किसने जगाया? The delicious smell from the kitchen woke up Pari at 8 a.m. Now, what is the first question? Where is Pari? Pari कहाँ पर है? So, Pari is at her grandma's house. They have come to spend their holidays, their vacation at her grandma's house, and Pari is at her grandma's house, right? Hope you have completed your work. Shall I erase? Yes? Okay. What is my next question? Why does she likes coming to grandma's house? Now, question number 3. Why does she likes coming to grandma's house? उसको grandma के घर आना क्यों अच्छा लगता है? Why does she like coming to grandma's house? Yes. Think about the answer. What can can be right over here. Why does she love? उसको grandma के घर जाना क्यों अच्छा लगता था? Yes, she likes coming to grandma's house because there is lot of space to run around and play, and the food prepared by grandma is very delicious. Yes. So now it is looking as a big answer, but two lines are from the question itself. So we must start with the line from the question. Now, why does she like coming to grandma's house? Now what will we do? We'll not write these two words. We'll start the answer from here. She likes to come to grandma's house. Why? So this line is right from the question. So you don't have to learn this line. You have to learn from here. Because there is a lot of space. बहुत सारी जगह है काय के लिए? To run around and play. खेलने के लिए, दौड़ने के लिए वहाँ पे बहुत सारी प्लेस है. And the food prepared by grandma is very delicious. और grandma जो खाना बनाती है, that is ultimate, that is very delicious. बहुत स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाती है और परी को अपनी नानी के घर जाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. She loves going to her grandma's house, right? So the answer is not very tough. It is very easy. The only thing is that you have to repeat after me. Understand what you have to write over here. ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमें क्या लिखना है, क्यों अच्छा लगता है, कहाँ से शुरू करना है, क्या ऐड करना है और कहाँ पर ख़त्म करना है, right? So, like, repeat after me. She likes coming to grandma's house because. From here you have to learn the answer. Because there is lot of space. Because there is lot of space to run around and play. And the food prepared by grandma is very delicious. Yes, the food is very delicious because grandma grows the vegetables in her own garden, and fresh vegetables give us lot of taste. They don't have the smell of chemicals, and yes, they are very tasty, right? So we move on to the next question. Hope you are writing along with me and completing your work. Blue line to blue line. Read the spellings correctly and complete your work. If your work is complete, you can send me your classwork copies in the school to check, right? Name the plants that Pari noticed in the veranda. Now, name the plants Pari. Sorry, I am writing a small p. This p is wrong. You have to make it a capital P because Pari is a name of a unique name of a girl. So my P will be capital. Name the plants that Pari noticed in the word VER, word AN and DAH, dove. So my spelling becomes veranda. Isn't it easy? Right? Okay, so let's read the question. Name the plants. You have to give the name of the plants that Pari noticed in the veranda. Now noticed, what do you mean by noticed? Saw. Noticed means saw. So what are name the plants that Pari saw in the veranda? Yes. So you are going to start your answer right from Pari. Okay. So Pari noticed. Yes. Pari noticed tomatoes. Correct. Tomatoes and chili. Chili, मिर्ची. मिर्ची को हम क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? चिली. Chili plants were in the veranda. Again the spelling of veranda, V-E-R-A-N-D-A-H, veranda. Noticed, saw. So Pari saw tomatoes and chili plants in the veranda. Right? My answer is complete. Only the two names you have to learn and half from the question you can frame your answer. Right? So what is my answer? Pari noticed tomatoes and chili plants in the veranda. Hope you have completed your answer. Let's read question number 3, which is written on the board. Why does she likes to come to grandma's house? She यानी परी. परी को grandma के घर आना क्यों अच्छा लगता है? She likes coming to grandma's house because there is a lot of space to run around and play, and the food prepared by grandma is very delicious. Right? Now name the plants Pari noticed in the veranda. Pari noticed यानी देखे tomatoes and chili plants in the veranda. Right? So I am erasing question number 3. Question number 4 is still there. All those who have not completed, keep completing your work and continue along with me. Right? Now, why does grandma grow the vegetables at home? The next question is question number 5. Why does grandma grow vegetables at home? ग्रो वेजिटेबल्स, पेड़ घर में क्यों लगाए, वेजिटेबल्स घर में क्यों उगाती है ग्रैंडमा. राइट? सो माय आंसर इज grandma grows vegetables at home. See, they are starting from grandma. Grandma grows vegetables because nowadays vegetables from the market are not fresh and they have the smell of chemicals. So, ग्रैंडमा बाजार से वेजिटेबल्स क्यों नहीं खरीदती है, घर में क्यों उगाती है? So come on, repeat after me. First repeat the answer after me, understand it thoroughly and then start writing. Okay? So grandma grows vegetables at home because nowadays आजकल vegetables from the market are not fresh and they have the smell of chemicals, right? That is why she grows the vegetables at home. Yes, why does grandma grow vegetables at home? Grandma grows vegetables at home because nowadays vegetables from the markets are not fresh and they have the smell of chemicals, right? So we move on to the next question, that is, where does she grow them? अब वो कहाँ उगाती है वेजिटेबल्स? Where does she grow them? कहाँ उगाती है? Where does she grow them? My answer is she grows them on the terrace छत पर and in the veranda. Veranda, right? So, where does she grow them? She grows them on the terrace and in the veranda, right? I'm giving you some time to complete your work. I'm here only, whatever difficulty you're facing, or if you have any problem, you can consult me, right? Now, what is written here? Question number 5. All those who have finished can repeat after me. All those who have not finished can keep on writing. Right? Why does grandma grow vegetables at home? Why does grandma grow vegetables at home? Grandma grows vegetables at home because nowadays vegetables from the market are not fresh and they have the smell of chemicals. Where does she grow them? अब कहाँ उगाती है grandma? She grows them on the terrace and in the veranda, right? So, hope you all are completing your work along with me. You have to, children, keep on reading the question answers, keep repeating them again and again so that you learn them by repeating. Without repeating, you cannot learn them, and that is why you have to keep on repeating, right? So today we have finished approx 6 questions, and I know you all are tired by writing it, right? So we are going to wind up our session over here with these question and answers which are written on the board, right? Hope you all will learn the question answers, and if you have any problem, just give me a call. I am there to ever ready to help you all, right? So end of this session. Meet you in the next session again.